Hello friend, today in this video you will know how to create QR code of Google Maps. So first you want to create a location Google map of the QR code and you want to send to people, scan and find the location, and it's a very quite simple job. Okay, suppose here I want to choose one location. Yeah, this is okay. This is the same day, right? If you want to share this location as QR code, just click here. Then after this location will appear here. So what you have to do is the share. Copy link and go to next tab and type create QR code of Google Maps location and just hit enter. And after you find out here QR code for Google Maps, just click here from the Creat QR and just you have to paste your link here. Okay, paste your link here and you can name this, okay, QR code, okay, ABC like that, and you can just category like this, okay, education or careers. After just customize and download QR, you can QR customize like this or this or this or this, okay. And you can just simply download this QR code from here and just scan. This will guide to direct to this location. Okay, this is the very quite idea to share a location with QR code in this digital world, digital age. QR is very important. Okay friend, if this video helped to create QR codes, then please don't forget to share, comment, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.